Oh my gosh.
We're gonna put it into the slime. It's so crunchy.
It's like,
it's so pretty. Hey guys, I'm Asia.
And I'm Aaliyah K.
Welcome back to our channel. And today we're gonna be doing the twin telepathy challenge.
And don't forget to like and subscribe. It's the Kids Fun Corner. As I say, we're doing the twin telepathy challenge. And we're going to tell you the rules about this challenge. We're not allowed to peek on her side, and she's not allowed to peek on my side.
If I look at her side, then I'm cheating. And she looks at my side, she's cheating.
So we're just going to be trying to be twins.
Alright, here's the ingredients that we have. We have little dots, sprinkles, big dots, and flowers. We're gonna put it into the slime.
So how excited I'm gonna be if me and Leisure are twins. I'll be really happy. How about you?
Yeah, I'll be really excited. I'm excited.
If we get it wrong, I'll be sad.
Yeah,
we're not
I'll be
twins.
disappointed.
Me too. So if we get 3 right, we'd be twins. If we get mostly 4 right, we'd be twins.
There are 4 rounds.
Yeah, but it's gonna be 4 rounds. Let's get into it. So this is round 1 of our challenge of twin telepathy. I'll be happy if me and Leisha gets it right.
Alright.
So
I'm excited.
3, 2, 1. I have little pom-poms.
Ah, well, that's it. Yeah, we're twins.
And now we're gonna put it in our slime.
Alright. They won't come out.
Are you putting the whole thing?
Are you?
Yeah.
I'm confused.
Pretty.
Whoa, it's so crunchy.
It's like,
It's so pretty.
Ew. I'm so happy I picked this one. I really want this one.
Whoa.
Oh.
They just stick to it.
And now it's sticking to my finger.
Did you hear it?
Wait, mine won't make noise. Hold on.
Whoa.
This is so cool.
Alright, now for round 2.
Let's get started. 3, 2, 1.
Oh,
I got flowers.
I got the big dots.
Oh man, we got it wrong. Alright, now we're gonna put ingredients into our slime.
Alright.
Now let's get it. Oh my gosh. It makes even like,
Whoa.
oh my god. It makes,
It's so pretty.
mine is too. Wait, let me stretch it. It's like flowers. Oh my gosh. How's your turn out? Can I see yours?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, look at mine. It's so like, wow, like beads and like flowers in it.
I like yours.
Yeah. So we were in it. Alright, well, we got 1 right and we got 1 wrong. So now we're going on round 3. 3, 2, 1. AKA, stuck in my hand. It's okay. It's gonna be in there anyways. Sprinkles.
Sprinkles.
We get the
Yeah,
same
sprinkles.
thing.
Yeah. Cup up.
So now we're gonna put it in our ingredients. 9 ingredients. Now, oh my gosh, it feels so like good.
Whoa. They look like cupcake sprinkles.
Like mine, it's like all the stuff that's in it. It's like the sprinkle. It makes it like even more like kind of like, you know, it has like bubbling, you know, like that crunching sound. See, it makes it like that. It feels crunchy.
Yeah.
It's like all the stuff. Is your cool?
Oh.
Okay, so I hope this last one I'm just hoping on last one we get it correct.
I hope we're twins.
Me too.
I'm really excited. I'm scared.
I'm scared and excited, but yeah. Alright, now we're gonna round
4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, what did you get?
I got big pom-poms.
I got flowers.
Oh,
Man. Well, let's put our ingredients in.
and now just mix it around. Oh my gosh, I just feel the crunch. I still have slime. That's funny.
Put it everywhere.
I'm not everywhere. You can easily feel.
Oh, they're foamy.
I know all this. It makes it like it's like sticky.
There's a flower.
Okay.
Alright, so we got 2 out of 4. We're not twins. I'm sad. I'm disappointed. Well,
So maybe on the next one, maybe we'll be twins.
yeah,
Alright.
hopefully.
Hopefully.
I'm Asia.
And I'm Malia K. And don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye.